the assessment phase, no, how we will be assessed or how you will assess. So the first one is paano i-assess yung classroom observable objectives. So as mentioned, meron po tayong option. Tayo po ay binigyan ng option. The teachers will be provided with flexibility to choose among the two options, either one of the two option ha. Baka po mag-require na dalawa po. Kaya po may pamimilian, pipili lang po tayo ng isa. Okay, so what are these options? Option A, yan, 2 full period classroom observation within 4th quarter with objectives or classroom observable indicators distributed across observation. So distributed doon sa dalawa, no? So that's the first option. So meaning dalawang classroom observation, pero yung objective po na ita-target or the indicators distributed across the two classroom observation. Option B, isang period po. One full period classroom observation in, okay, one full period classroom observation in 4th quarter covering all objectives. So meaning isang classroom observation, full session of the subject. In-observe po tayo. So yun po. So what do we mean by that? To further elaborate po, no? The next one, yan. So yung 2 full period classroom observation, so yan po, distributed yung objectives. So halimbawa, you choose objective 3, 1, 3, 4, 6, and 8 sa unang classroom observation. And then dun sa pangalawang classroom observation, as you can see po, no, may mauulit po kasing indicator. Okay? And then, ita-target po natin yung mga hindi na-observe ng last time. So yung green po is for the proficient tool. The blue one po ay yung para sa ating mga master teachers who's using the highly proficient tool. So pwede rin po, may option po kayo na first full period, first ay tatargetin po natin, yan, 3, and then the second full period ay, so yung distribution po ay prescribed po yung distribution. Okay, so meaning ito po yung pagkaka-distribute. Okay. Ngayon, marami po nagtatanong. So kahit hindi pa po natin natatanong sa ating FAQs, so curious, Mrs., ano po ba yung ibig sabihin ng full period? So meaning, full period means entire class period. So for example, if your class is 40 minutes, in 40 minutes, yan, kukumpletuhin po ninyo yun. And then kung 60 minutes yung subject po, na doon po kayo magpapa-observe, then 60 minutes. Okay? Naiintindihan po? Okay, so yun po yung ibig sabihin ng 2 full period. Okay, next, option B. Ayan. So ito po, for some, ayan po, no? Medyo sabi nila, ma'am, mabigat ito kasi 8 indicators. But that's why po we give some flexibility which one you will choose po, no? So the option B naman po ay 1 full period, meaning in 1 classroom observation, dapat po matatarget, may hit po natin itong mga indicators na to sa subject po na doon po tayo ma-observe. Okay? So for teachers who will choose option B, so in 1 class, entire class period, yan. So dapat ma-hit po yung 8 indicator. Okay? Sa highly proficient tool naman po, sa 4 po yan, dapat ma-hit po yung lahat ng 4 na indicator. Okay? Clear so far ulit? Thumbs up po nga kung nasusundan po tayo, ha? Okay. So ang sabi po dito ay, ayan, mamimili lang po tayo sa dalawang option. Okay? Hindi po pwedeng combine.